Alright, this is part 2 of a video showing the SinkBot Rebel, designed and built by Edgemate Stone Tools. Part 1 was to cut this sinkhole out. Part 2 is we're gonna see how far we can go with polishers. The first bit we're gonna run is in a 100 grit diamond plated drum. Right now, the texture of the edge looks like this, and that's from the incremental bit. And like right now, these arcs are just flawless. I mean, there's no bumps in these arcs at all. So we have a diamond drum hooked up right now. We're gonna come over here to the control. I do have it on the CAN-BAM software right now. So this is the profile of the sink. We're gonna make 4 passes here. And this is where it starts, and then the next one. And then these two are the same, will overlap on top of each other. So we come down here to Mach 4 and load the G-code again. And there it is. So this is ready to go. I can hear the pumps running for external water. We're recycling the water. And then we have clean water going through the center water feed through the spindle. All right, I'm gonna hit cycle start. The spindle and the coolant will turn on simultaneously. It's in the program over here. So the callouts are over here to turn it on at the beginning of the cut, and then at the end of the cut it will shut them off. So if you're doing something else in the shop, this thing will shut itself down. Not the control, just the spindle and the water. So here we go. Alright, there you have it. We will send this back with the arrow buttons. Let me dry it off and... Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, we have it all dried off. It is very smooth. I mean, it is very smooth. You can see the radius round over. There's still a little bit of a lip here. But we're gonna run some 200 grit resin drums. Our thought was to run these just to see. And so I want to leave enough material so I don't eat up this round over. We'll see how that goes. I don't know if I left too much or not, but I'll have to think about that. Anyway, here is the quality of the edge now. You can see up above the incremental bit, and then so right here, this is what the grit line was. Okay, this is what it is now. What it was and what it is. So that 100 grit diamond wheel, you know, the smoothness of this edge, you're not going to do this following a template. This thing is just, this is on the money. Once again, a machine's doing it, a CNC's doing it, and it's very honest. This is the SinkBot Rebel by Edgemate Stone Tools. If you have any questions, give us a call, contact us. So, thanks for watching.